If you're getting started with Blender Octane, it's important to understand the resources Octane provides to help you get up to speed. In this guide, we will review 3 key resources. Assuming you already know how to use the node system in Blender, the best way to learn Octane is by reading the manual. There you will find a written tutorial on making your first render. However, the manual is best used as a reference tool. It's a great way to quickly look up and understand specific components of Blender Octane, but it doesn't provide many tutorials. For detailed walkthrough, turn to tutorials on YouTube. For understanding a component of Blender Octane, I often find it quicker to refer to the manual than to watch a lengthy video, only to realize it doesn't contain the information I need. If you need a tutorial that connects multiple components of Blender Octane together, a YouTube tutorial may be particularly helpful. Octane has set up a YouTube channel called Octane Universe. This is where you can find a playlist of video tutorials for Blender Octane. Additionally, explore other channels, such as this one, for more tutorial videos. If the first 2 resources don't answer your questions, you can ask directly in the Octane forum. Navigate to the Blender section and post your question. Both professional users and Octane experts monitor the forum and are willing to assist. It is recommended to use YouTube channels and the Blender manual first, as these resources cover the basics. There are many other resources available online, but by using the materials provided by Octane, you should have your basic and intermediate needs covered. Thanks for watching and happy learning.